Functional areas vocation introduction. Loading. Oakland 的轨型 Dipping and spraying. Pickling. Dipping and spraying. Activation. Thin fast feeding. Dipping and spraying. Deer rinsing and spraying. Dry oven. Spray paint 1. Leveling room 1. Spray painter. Hidden chamber. Spray paint 3. Leveling room 2. Curing oven. Cooling section. Unloading. Power and free overhead conveyor system. Forklift system loading. Higher arm-free conveying system. Emission tank 1 is auricle and greasing cleaning. SAS 300 for material. Thermal insulation structure. Immersion tank 2 is for dipping and spray cleaning. SAS 300 for material. Immersion 10-3 is pickling. SAS 316 material. Thermal insulation structure. Immersion tank 4 is for dipping and spray cleaning. SAS 300 for material. Emission tank 5 is activation. Source 300 for material, including heating system of exchange plate. Immersion tank 6 is zinc phosphating. SUS 300 for material. Immersion tank 7 is for dipping and spray cleaning. SAS 300 for material. Immersion tank 8 is for raw water dipping and spraying and blowing water. SAS 300 for material. The workpiece enters the drying oven for drying. The workpiece enters the painting room 1 for painting. The workpiece enters leveling room 1 for leveling. The workpiece enters the painting room 2 for painting. The workpiece enters the hiding chamber for surface drying. The workpiece enters the painting room 3 for painting. The workpiece enters leveling room 2 of the leveling. The workpiece enters the curing oven for curing. The workpiece enters the cooling area. Forklift assistant loading. Intelligent cooling equipment manufacturer.